Hi, I'm Prashant Singh Badoria, Deputy Project Manager for HTT-40. This is a PT-2 aircraft which is getting ready currently under equipping stage. As you can see, the structure is in place and now we are equipping it with the various systems and the subsystems and the looming part of it. This aircraft will make its debut in Aero India 2017 at Yelahanka. Right now we have completed the entire equipping part of it and are now integrating various LRUs. The fuselage is equipped in a different jig. We have the wings which are equipped in another jig, and ultimately all of them are coupled together and are in the equipping phase. That there is the front cockpit. You can see the MIP installed right now. The MIP and all the structural components are in place for the front and the rear cockpit. We shall shortly be installing all the wiring and the systems for the aircraft. The rear section, which is the empennage and the rudder, that's also been installed. We shall be completing the equipping of this in the next 10 days, complete the painting part of it, and present it in for the Aero India aspect of it.
Static display, right?
As the static display. This will be static display with the fully functional cockpit and powered on LRUs. From removal of the fuselage to the equipping, the entire process is completed in 1.5 months. That's quite short compared to any other aerospace standard. That's been possible because we have adopted modular technology. The fuselage is built into 3 different models, front, rear and the wings aspect of it. We also have the shop in charge, Mr. Ramanand, and his team, Mr. Sumesh and Kuttimani. Then we have Jalish, the guy who's putting all the systems and the flight controls in place. Ramanand sir, all yours, any inputs?
Yeah, the present plan is to complete the looming and the cockpit equipping in the next 5 days, and then all the wing mating, the fairing work, all the pending structural work will be over in the next 1 week, and then we'll get it painted. And as Prashant told, why we have been able to complete the equipping within 1 month, because the looming also was done parallelly, and all the equipping brackets, stage 1 brackets, were done during the structural stage only. So that's how we were able to make it so fast. Ganesh?